Hello, we are doing partial products for multiplication, 18 times 4. And whether you're doing the digital version like me or you're working on the worksheets, we can still learn together and we're going to be showing you what to put in each box. So let's go ahead and get started. So for partial products, all that means is that you're taking the bigger number or bigger numbers and you're splitting them into parts first and then multiplying after. The first step is to take 18 and we're going to put it in expanded form in these boxes. And if you're writing, obviously you just write, but if you're using the digital copy to put the number in, you click on the text box and then you just type. So 10 and 8 for 18. That is 18 in expanded form. Then click here, the 4 goes on another row. Now we're going to multiply the parts, and you can see the color coding over here, green, red for these ones. So it's going to be 10 versus 4. And then blue, red over here, so that'll be 8 times 4. So 10 times 4 goes in this top area. 10 times 4 is 40. And then 8 times 4, which is 32. So basically, we took that 18 and we multiplied each digit against the 4. So this 1 is really a 10. So we did 10 times 4, and then we did 8 times 4. And now we're just going to add them together. Starting on the right, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So we get 72.